BSc Part 3 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver the lecture on LCO method, which is taken from BSc Part 3, selected from Unit 2nd as molecular orbital theory, chosen from Unit 2nd. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on important postulates of LCO treatment. In previous lecture we have delivered in the classroom. First of all, I repeat the necessary and essential conceptual important scientific rules theory based on that is of LCO method. LCO method, just like Wallace-Bohr theory, to provide us access information by means of bond formation, like Wallace-Bohr theory on the behalf of LCO and on the behalf of wave function, molecular orbital theory and bond formation one can explain very easily. Dear students of BSc Part 3, in our previous lecture, we have also defined that we are assuming here two types of the molecule A and B having its hydrogen atom species as symbolized by HA and B atoms that is of HB. Wave function is symbolized by that is of HA and HB. By the linear combination of LCO method, situation arises to achieve as two types of the bond formation here. On the behalf of linear combination of atomic orbital theory, if overlapping area is very higher, the probability to achieve a strong bond formation here to know as bonding molecular orbital. In the case of less density, electronic density is achieved in the condition regarding to that is of psi star antibonding molecular orbital. In the series of various postulates of that is of LCO treatment, let us apply today's lecture on hydrogen molecule ion. Dear students, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on firstly the important feature of hydrogen molecule ion having that is of 2 proton and 1 electron here. The simple diagram of hydrogen ion in our previous lecture we have discussed in the classroom here. The various necessarily important mathematical equation, quantum mechanical that is a postulate. We assume the molecular orbital psi molecular orbital one can write as C1 psi of A plus C2 psi of B here. In our previous lecture, it is also possible here we may apply the LCO treatment by using Schrodinger wave equation by involving as eigenvalue, eigenfunction and eigenequation. One can mention as that is of H psi molecular orbital is equals to E psi molecular orbital. Dear students, we will apply LCO treatment on H2 molecule, hydrogen molecule ion, and after the operation of LCO treatment on hydrogen molecule ion, we will calculate the various important quantum mechanical values by means of energy for both the condition symmetric and antisymmetric, wave function for both condition bonding and anti-bonding conditions, mixing coefficient C1 and psi2, and finally by applying of LCO on a hydrogen molecule ion, a schematic diagram, simple diagram quantum mechanical diagram will be produced for bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital theory. You know, here in our previous lecture, once again I repeat, by using that is of matrix, I am writing here directly here the various integral which act an important role for bond formation here. First of all, I am writing on the blackboard here in the matrix form here, HAA minus E, diagonally HBB minus E, HAB minus ESAB, HAB minus ESAB, in that is the matrix form C1, C2 is equal to 0. Dear students of BSc Part 3, various kinds of mathematical expressions, equations, including integral, play important role for strong bond formation. The same mathematical expressions, the same mathematical equation we choose here, that is known as that is of Coulombic integral here, HAA, HBB. You know here HAA, HBB, HAA, HBB. By using that is a quantum mechanical important postulate, psi A H psi A, HBB is equal to integral psi B H psi B d lambda, denote here that is a Coulombic integral, that is of Ci. Coulombic integral to define about us, that is of charge distribution for the bond formation in the molecule. In the same sense, HAB, HBA, HAB and HBA denote that is of resonance integral here. Next mathematical concept, mathematical formula we apply by using that is of LCO, or hydrogen molecule ion psi A, by involving in mid of H, that is of psi B next function into d lambda. It is known as that is of resonance integral. Next one, third one mathematical concept here, SAB, it is known as overlapping integral here. Overlapping integral means to define how much overlapping area by covered by that is of one function to the that is of another one wave functions here. Now let us proceed here, dear students. This one, equation number 3, we will derive in that is of next lecture here by applying the various mathematical equation and by applying quantum mechanical condition here. We will derive equation number 3 tomorrow. Thank you very much.